A very happy morning to my cute little children, and today we are going to study articles. In the last class we studied about A and N, and this is part 2. Okay, this is part 2, and in this class we are going to study about the article the. Okay, so ready? So let's begin our class. Now, what is the difference between a, an and the? See, we use a or an when we mean any person or thing. When we mean any person or thing, we use a or an. But the is used when we mean a particular person or thing. जब हम एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज द वर्ड द. ठीक है, और जब हम कोई भी पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज ए और एन. सी द examples. Give me a pen. Any pen. When we go to a market or shop, we say the shopkeeper, give me a pen. We are not pointing out to a particular pen. Give me a pen. It means any pen. And when we say, give me the pen lying on the table, when we are pointing out to the particular pen, give me the pen lying on the table. We are talking about the particular pen. At that time we use the. Understood? I am again repeating. Give me a pen, any pen. Give me the pen lying on the table, a particular pen. So children, the is used for a particular thing and a and an is used for anything. So you will remember this. For any person or thing we use a or an. Copy this down. This is very important point. Okay. For any person or thing we use a or an, and for a particular person or thing we use the. Any person or thing, a or an. For a particular person, the. Let us learn something more about a, an and the. कुछ और. We use a or an when we speak of a person or a thing for the first time. जब हम किसी के बारे में पहली बार बात कर रहे हैं, तब हम यूज करेंगे a या an. But when we speak of them again, we use the. जब हम उसके बारे में दूसरी बार बात करेंगे, तब हम यूज करेंगे the. When we are speaking for the first time, we will use a or an, and at the second time we will use the. Let's understand this by example. See, here it is. A man came to our school. First time we are talking, हम पहली बार बात कर रहे हैं. A man came to our school. So we used a because we were talking first time. See the second sentence. अब हम उसके बारे में दूसरी बार बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking for the second time. The man wanted to meet our principal. The we used for the second time. We used the. This is how we use a, an and the. See, a man came to our school. We write a before man because he could be any man. जब हमने पहली बार बात करी तब हमको मालूम ही था वो कोई भी मैन हो सकता है. एंड इन द सेकेंड टाइम वी आर पर्टिकुलरली पॉइंटिंग आउट दैट मैन. सी, द मैन वांटेड टू आवर प्रिंसिपल. नाउ द मैन इज अ पर्टिकुलर मैन. नाउ वी आर नोइंग दैट मैन. द सेम मैन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन द सेंटेंस फर्स्ट. in the sentence first. Okay? Clear? And at times, even when we have not used a noun earlier, sometimes we have not used a noun earlier, but it is very clear what we are talking about. In such cases we use the. हमने भले पहले उसके बारे में, उस नाउन के बारे में पहले बात नहीं की हो, but we are clear about what we are talking. So in such cases also we use the. Let's see examples. The television is switched on. Switched on. We know which television. The television is switched on. We are knowing in our house that which television is it. So in such cases we use the. Second, the window of the bedroom is broken. We know which window and which bedroom we are talking about. We know about our bedroom and window. We are knowing it. So in such cases we use the. And the is used with the names of rivers, seas, ocean and mountain ranges. Want to see the examples? The Ganges, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. देखा आपने? The Himalayas, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean. इन सब के आगे भी हम the use करते हैं. The names of well-known buildings. Examples: the India Gate, the Taj Mahal. Names of holy books and newspaper. The Gita, the Quran, the Statesman. Okay? So इन सब के आगे भी the use होता है. The names of trains, ships and airplanes. Let's see. The Rajdhani Express, the Orient Express. We use the in phrases like the first, the next one, the only. ऐसे जो phrases होते हैं उनके आगे भी हम the use करते हैं. For example, he is the only son. That was the last time we met. The next time, the last one, the first one. In all these phrases we use the. But we use the with such nouns when they are made particular. I need sugar for making tea. No article with the sugar. यहाँ पर हमने कोई आर्टिकल यूज नहीं किया. क्यों? बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर रहे कि विच शुगर. इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस सी, प्लीज पास मी द शुगर इन द जार. हियर वी आर पॉइंटिंग आउट विच शुगर विच इज इन द जार. जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम यूज करते हैं द. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग द. बट इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वी आर नॉट talking about a particular sugar, so we are not using the. See, one is talking about particular sugar which is in the jar and hence the sugar. Now we will revise what we have learned till now. Who is this? Is A. I come before countables in the singular number beginning with the consonant sound. A किसके आगे आता है? When it comes before singular nouns starting with consonant Okay. UK, U and K both will come in